Are your eyes feeling strained after long hours of checking emails in Gmail? Or maybe you just want that sleek, modern look while browsing your inbox? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gmail dark mode in just a few simple steps, helping you reduce eye strain and give your inbox a fresh, stylish look. First, let's access Gmail settings. Open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu where all the customization magic happens. Next, in the quick settings menu, click Theme. Here, you'll see a few options, but for full control, select View All to explore the complete list of available Gmail themes. Now, scroll through until you find the dark theme. Click it to preview how your inbox will look instantly. You'll notice the background turns a deep gray, making the text easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. Once you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply the changes permanently. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox is now in dark mode, reducing eye strain and giving your workspace a sleek, modern feel. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you use Gmail on multiple devices, make sure to enable dark mode on your mobile app too to keep the experience consistent wherever you check emails. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and practical Gmail tips. Your eyes and your inbox will thank you.